Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a very special recipe. It's a banana bread recipe that's been in my family forever. Very simple, so let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 3 very ripe bananas, 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 stick of softened butter, 2 large eggs. Turn on your oven to 350 to preheat. I like to use a bundt pan, but you can use loaf pans. Peel and then smash up those bananas. Pour in the sugar and the butter. Now we will cream them. Combine the dry ingredients. I'm going to pour a little in here. Mix in your eggs. Add the buttermilk and just alternate ingredients. Last, just mix in the bananas. You can fold in chocolate chips or nuts at this point. Now let's get this in the 350 degree oven for 1 hour. Okay, I think it's done. Let's get it out. Let's test it. It comes out clean, so it's done. We need to let it rest for 15 minutes. Okay, it's really yellow from the eggs I used. I've never seen it like that before. Let's hope it turns out. Easy peasy. Then let's finish it off with some powdered sugar. Okay, let's get this cut. Looking good. Okay, kids, Schnecken time. Who wants to try it? Our first taster?
Ooh. Warm.
So I don't like bananas at all, but I'm gonna give it a try because it smells really good.
Oh, what's the verdict?
The texture is awesome. It's got a really good crumb. It totally tastes like bananas.
It'd be better with chocolate.
My piece is almost gone. It'd be better with some coffee.
You don't have to eat it.
Video bomb! Video bomb! Yes. No.
No, more crackers.
No. Hi, 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 hi.
That's really good.